Hey Botanical Bliss family! Today's video is about understanding the key differences between heirloom, hybrid, and GMO seeds. Knowledge that will help you make smarter choices for your garden. Let's start with heirloom seeds. These are varieties that have been preserved for at least 50 years through careful seed saving. What makes heirloom plants special is their open pollination process, meaning they're pollinated naturally by wind, insects, or self-pollination. When you plant seeds from heirloom vegetables, you'll get plants identical to their parents. The advantages of heirloom plants include their exceptional and unique flavors, the ability to save seeds for future seasons, their genetic diversity, which helps preserve plant heritage, and their adaptation to specific local climates over generations. However, heirloom varieties can be more challenging because they may have lower disease resistance, their yields might be smaller, they often require more maintenance, and they can be more sensitive to environmental conditions. Moving on to hybrid seeds marked as F1 on seed packets. These are created by deliberately cross-pollinating two different plant varieties. Think of it as combining the best traits of two parent plants. The first generation of hybrid plants typically shows hybrid vigor, meaning better growth, yield, and disease resistance. Key points about hybrids: they often produce more consistent crops, many are bred for disease resistance, they typically give higher yields, and they're usually more vigorous. Seeds can't be saved for next season, as second-generation plants won't have the same characteristics. Now for GMOs, genetically modified organisms. Unlike hybrids which result from natural breeding processes, GMOs are created in laboratories by directly modifying plant DNA. Scientists can insert genes from one species into another to achieve specific traits. Important facts about GMOs: they're not available to home gardeners, they're primarily used in commercial farming. Only certain crops have GMO versions, mainly corn, soybeans, and cotton. They require extensive testing and regulation. They're designed for large-scale agricultural challenges. When choosing seeds for your garden, consider these factors. For seed saving, choose heirlooms. For reliable harvests, consider hybrids. For unique varieties, go with heirlooms. For disease resistance, select hybrids. For maximum yield, hybrid varieties often perform better. A practical tip for seed selection: check your local climate and common plant diseases in your area. In regions with high disease pressure, hybrid varieties might be your best choice. In areas with stable growing conditions, heirlooms can thrive and provide unique flavors and varieties you won't find in stores. Remember that success in gardening isn't about which type of seed you choose. It's about matching the right seed type to your gardening goals and growing conditions. Whether you pick heirloom or hybrid, the key is understanding their characteristics and choosing accordingly. That's it for today's guide on seed types. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and guides. Drop your questions about seed selection in the comments below.